Okay, my dear friends, welcome back to my tutorials. So here we can see, friends, I'm expanding this drawing to you. So how we do this, we can see now. So this is what, friends, is a 26 diameter, and the outer circle is having 90 diameter. So we'll do that into the AutoCAD. Okay. See, friend, here C enter, and we need to take 26 diameter, D enter 26. And we have 90 diameter, C enter, and we need to take 90 diameter of his circle center point, D enter 90. Yeah, now you can see, friends, we have 80 radius circle and 64 radius of circle here, so we need to take that one. So how we are going to take that, we can see now. So that's very simple. C enter, circle center point is here, and we need to take 80 radius of circle, that is 80, and we need to have another circle, that is 64. Yeah, and I have another circle, and that is 108 radius. Okay, and see, friend. And we can see, friends, we have 80 radius of circle. I have another circle, that is 16 radius and 28 radius. We'll do that. So this is, I think so, it is 64, it is 84. So that's why I need to start a circle onto the here. And we have 16 radius and 28 radius. 16, and we have another circle, the same position, and we have 28. Yeah, 28. Done. Now you can see, friend, the same thing I wants to be take it as an angle, that is 30. So we can take that minus AR command, and I'm selecting this, enter. Yeah, and take polar, and just the center point is here. Number of items is 2, 30 degrees, enter. Now you can see, friend, these two circles we don't want, delete that. And I want to be trim these areas also. Okay, just a moment. I'm copied, and means I'm mirror it here. MI enter. I'm selecting this, enter. I'm getting the mirror like this. Yeah, I'm getting the mirror like this, enter. And TR double enter, and see, friend, if we don't want that, we can delete that. So we can delete that areas. Okay, we have another circle over here that I wanted to do, so that is 10 radius. So we'll do that. And this also I need to trim. TR double enter. I trim this also. Okay, and here you can see, friends, I have the one circle here, that is C enter, T enter, 10 radius, I think so. It is 10 radius, TR double enter, trim this, and I have C enter, T enter. First same tangent here, and here same thing, enter, TR double enter. I trim this, and I don't want this also. I need to getting the trims of it. Okay, but here we can see, friends. Yeah, okay, I want to be getting trim, no problem. And see, friend, I have one problem here, but I can control that problem. How? We can see, friends, this is inner circle is given by 16 radius. O enter offset. I'm taking 16 on this side. Right. TR double enter. TR double enter. I trim this. I trim this. And I trim this one and this one. Okay. And see, friends, here we don't have this element over here, so I can trim this one, trim this, and we can delete that. Delete, yeah, delete, and trim this one also. You can observe friends, and I'm selecting this, all those things, and I'm going to the mirror, mi enter, first point and second point, enter, tr, double enter, and trim it. See friend, this plan is all. Now I need to draw L, enter, shift right click for the object snap, tangent, I'm using the tangent here, shift right click, I'm using one more tangent over here, right there, no, I'm using shift right click, tangent onto this here, escape, I'm using mirror, select this one and do this, right, this is the way we are doing it, this. Okay friend, that's all for the today's section, and the next class I was going to discuss about the next plans to you. The next plan I'll show you and I'll do it that how we go on that. Okay, thank you, and please subscribe my channel.